the 5 C's. What are the 5 C's meaning really? Conceptualizing, dictionary definitions. Let's just go through dictionary definitions. Conceptualizing is forming a concept or an idea of something. Focus on people and emotions to make decisions. Nothing wrong or right about either one. We need both. We need both the thinking type and we need both the feeling type. That's number 3. Number 4 and the last one being judging and perceiving. Right? Judging is those who emphasize thinking, focus on facts, data, logic to make decisions. Judging people will make logical decisions. Is this logical? Does A plus B equals C or not? That kind of a thinking. In contrast, those who emphasize feeling focus on people tend to make people and emotions to make decisions. Right? Judging versus perceiving. So this Myers-Briggs personality gives us to these 16 basic types of Myers-Briggs types. That INTJ, INTP, these days it's very popular, so you must be knowing which one you fall into. Myers-Briggs model classifies into the 16 different personality types, each one having their own characteristics, as you can see on the screen. Yeah. Now, in my critical thinking workshop model, I use all the 16 types. How does it work? How does that work? In that workshop, we take the 5 C's, the characterizing, comprehending, cognizing, conceptualizing, all the 5 C's that we discussed, and we go through all these personality types. Therefore, we are changing the abstract. Therefore, we are changing the very way that the human being changes in the form of thinking, in the abstract, the way the person approaches the problem solving. It's not a skill we are trying to develop. We are trying to rewire the brain and the neural pathways itself, which I will discuss more in the next video later on. It's too much to pack in one. So we are trying to alter the strategy in which the brain functions, strategy of our neural pathways functioning. Only then the neural plasticity will change, and we are firing up new neurons in each and every individual's brain in that workshop to think a different way. And this will carry to their personal, professional, all areas of their life, because once you change the person's thinking, they are not the same individual anymore. Suddenly, extrovert might think like an introvert, judging might seem like perceiving, intuition might go to sensing, and vice versa. You see, you're making the neural plasticity of your brain's neurons stretch a little. Stretch people. Only if you stretch your thinking to something higher can you work differently, both in your personal and professional lives. Really speaking, there is no distinction, because the person is the same everywhere. The same person who goes to work comes back to home and family, right? So it carries to all areas of a person's life, right? In the next one, we shall dissect this a little more. We talked about abstract. Next one, let's talk about foundation, how to alter the foundation. Okay? Meanwhile, take care. Be safe. Have a good day.